Ay, can I make one thing clear? If you was in the trap, brother, how were you here? We be over there, cause we in fifth gear. We move like the forecast, their position's unclear. We can't hear nothing, they all disappeared. All of these machines, I feel like an engineer. And we don't wanna hear about food or a budget. They know we HP when we enter the dungeon. Ay, can I make one thing clear? If you was in the trap, brother, how were you here? We be over there, cause we in fifth gear. We move like the forecast, their position's unclear. We can't hear nothing, they all disappeared. All of these machines, I feel like an engineer. And we don't wanna hear about food or a budget. They know we HP when we enter the dungeon.
How conspicuous, how vigorous. I've seen the keys and it's ridiculous. Judging what we do, how it's ambiguous. Can't rely on the governor, the trap is feeding us. We are bad brothers, so don't bother. Stashed up like chopper, mullet proper. So since when did you fucking rock the trend? Since when did you get this confidence? 6 rocking match tracks, doing this and that, bellied up and the burgers all black. And it's the same old faces, same old statements. But my jeans fit the aces to make this.
Why you standing in front like you gon' do something? You ain't gon' do nothing, you ain't gon' bust nothing. My whole team stay hungry, you never see us running. Pull a burnout, of course we'll keep it gunning. The whole lot, but free my brothers that be locked up in the box. Too many stitches, they be stitching on the block. Fuck it up, they don't know about guap. My whole team stay earning, this shit will never stop. Grinding, all my brothers put time in. Gang shit, they couldn't study me. Never that. I was that fool, they be acting up in school. Now that I'm old, yeah, I got me little tool. Pull up to your ends, I ain't nothing real new. G in the flesh, yeah, I stepped incorrect. All my lads bang, I just make them up with leads.
Can I make one thing clear? If you was in the trap, brother, how were you here? We be over there, cause we in fifth gear. We move like the forecast, their position's unclear. We can't hear nothing, they all disappeared. All of these machines, I feel like an engineer. And we don't wanna hear about food or a budget. They know we HP when we enter the dungeon. Tell them no bluffing, cause he was good. They know me, I'm a Don son, straight from the hood. And if they want drama, watch the TV. They call me Benny Hanna when I'm OT. I'm lining up the OZs, trying to make a P. I'm still in the Luxy doing 180. And I don't wanna talk about them boys there. I'm under the radar, trying to stay clear. And I don't wanna do the dirties, no fucks. I've been doing this since early. Tell him I'm swerving, listen to my sermon. Clearly, I tell you how the streets make an earning. Have you ever heard of clinging on the burner? Word up, shimmy like I'm Timmy Turner. I was on the curb doing dirt for the 6, murking. Tell him I don't work for the things. I ride for my clique and for all my OGs. I'm that kid from fucking HP. And if you tryna do me, tell him get it done. Please, I know them boys need a dub. Ay, can I make one thing clear? If you was in the trap, brother, how were you here? We be over there, cause we in fifth gear. We move like the forecast, their position's unclear. We can't hear nothing, they all disappeared. All of these machines, I feel like an engineer. And we don't wanna hear about food or a budget. They know we HP when we enter the dungeon.
Aye, free my brother Mars, free all the crashers.
Gang! Aye, Mars, stop twitching, boy. You know I see you, gang. Gang, in bed with twists and turns. I check my day and see I'm free, lad, I got shit to burn. I brush my teeth and hit the road, shit, I get straight to work. She wanna sit in bed all day, but this bitch needs to learn. I ain't no scrub, see I ain't bumming, see my shit comes first. I go wherever I want, no need to be concerned. If I run out, I know the plug, so he gon' hit me first. You don't want smoke, I think it's best that you go sit in church. I call that shit reverse karma, I've been seeing karmas. I wake up and she gon' give me top in her pajamas. I'm gon' call up C and we gon' see if they want drama. Then kick up my feet and probably smoke some marijuana.
In bed I twist and turn. I grab a shank, I find an up and lad, I'm twisting first. They drop a diss, I'll drop a addy, let my youngins lurk. They'll treat your fucking face with hollow tips, that's easy work. Them boys can't break the curse, spook them like Halloween. I pull that kitchen with that mask cause I love how they scream. I know they see me in their dreams and that they never sleep. I get them chopped on a Friday, but this ain't the 13th. So tell me who want beef for me.
I'm dealing with drama.
Keep an eye out for these snakes, I can't get bit like a piranha. Do me dirty once and I'm gon' pay you back with karma. Do you like the way Obama caught up with Osama? I came from rags to riches. My shit ain't average, came out the mud with savages. Fuck who I'm war with us.